Hi, I'm Johnny, and today we're talking about the Totally Wicked Intu Plus. Now this compact sub-ohm kit marks the return of the ML atomizer heads and wraps a whole host of advanced features up in a simple to use package. It has numerous output modes, a generous battery capacity, low resistance atomizer heads, sliding top fill and much more. Stay tuned to take a closer look. So let's start with the battery. Now this can be as advanced or as simple as you want to make it. It has adjustable power from 1 to 80 watts and a 3000 mAh battery which can last up to 2 days dependent on use. When you do need to recharge, you can do so quickly thanks to quick charging capabilities. The Intu Plus has numerous modes, including variable wattage and smart mode. Smart mode is ideal if you want to keep things simple, as it will identify the resistance of your atomizer head and automatically set an optimum wattage level. Now, if you prefer to tailor your vaping experience, there are various temperature control modes and bypass mode. These advanced settings take vaping back to the enthusiast days, but with up-to-date technological advances. The simple to use interface and clear OLED screen make navigating through your settings and checking current information a breeze. Now beyond the technology, these battery mods really look the part. The black satin finish is accentuated by the choice of a red, blue or black textured inlay. It's lightweight and compact, so fits nice and comfortably in the hand. Now on top of this fully featured battery is the ML Plus tank. It has fully adjustable airflow and sliding top fill, which makes for simple on-the-go refills. The tank is designed for larger vapour production, use at higher powers, and marks the return of the ML atomizer heads. The ML2 0.5 ohm head is fitted, and there's an array of different ML options available as spares to suit your specific sub-ohm vaping needs. So there you have it, the Intu Plus. It can be as simple or as complex as you wish, so whether you're a vape enthusiast or just want a high quality, high powered e-cig, the Intu Plus could be perfect for you.